Hi, I'm David, the founder of Property Edge, and today we're going to do a bit of a deep dive on the What Can I Afford calculator. Essentially, this calculator gives you an all-in maximum home buying budget. 1/3 of Canadians who bought a home last year were hit with large unexpected costs at closing, and this tool helps them get line of sight to those costs. So first, we're going to put in a little bit of background. Are we getting a first time buyer? Or are we not? What kind of property are we getting, and the rough square footage? Because these things affect your financing and they affect the costs as well. So in this case, we're choosing not to be a first time buyer. We're going to get a condo and it's 850 square feet. We're going to choose Ontario as the province and Metro Toronto. And there's some nuances here with sales tax and property transfer tax by choosing this particular location. And then we'll get going. Now we're going to input the incomes. For the first person, we'll put an income of 150,000. And the second individual, 60,000. And for the contribution, so this isn't just the down payment. This is the total amount of money that you're willing to put towards the down payment plus any taxes, closing costs, fees, and the calculator is crunching the numbers. And pretty quickly you can see that there's a pretty big difference. There's a $150,000 difference between what you can buy if you get a brand new home, one that's never been lived in or a pre-sale, or you get an existing home that's been lived in and is new to you. Because new properties have HST in Ontario, which can add up to a lot, and then existing homes don't. So that's the primary difference in this instance. Now, in some cases, a developer might cover part or all of those, the HST, the sales tax, but it's definitely something to consider when you're going into that situation. The calculator also lists all of the costs for each scenario, so there shouldn't be any surprises at closing. In our next video, we'll look at the Compare Mortgages calculator. And what this does is help you do an apples to apples comparison of two different mortgage offers. See you soon.